Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the filling and tortillas so everything moves quickly during frying. Use 6 corn tortillas and 2 cups cooked shredded chicken or 2 cups mashed potatoes. Mix fillings with 1/4 cup shredded cheese for binding and add chopped onion and cilantro for texture. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon ground cumin to taste. Keep tortillas warm and pliable by wrapping them in a clean towel. This prevents splitting when you fold and helps the filling adhere evenly. Lay a warm tortilla on a flat surface and assemble quickly to preserve heat and pliability. Place about 2 tablespoons filling per tortilla and fold tightly into a taco shape or roll like a taquito depending on preference. If the tortilla resists, brush the edge with a dab of water or beaten egg and press gently to seal. Work on a tray dusted with 1 tablespoon flour to prevent sticking and arrange folded tacos seam side down so they keep their shape while you heat oil and prepare to fry. Use a deep skillet and pour oil to a depth of about 1/2 inch or enough to cover half the taco. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and maintain that temperature while frying. Add tacos seam side down and use tongs to flip gently. Fry tacos Dorados 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and crisp and internal filling is hot. Remove to paper towels to drain excess oil, then season with a pinch of salt. Drain on paper towels and serve with lime wedges and 1/4 cup salsa or crema, garnished with shredded lettuce and queso fresco.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.